All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 18,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. You got your backup camera, power windows, power door locks, super nice. Best of all, minimal damage on the body. Front bumper looks pretty darn good. Front hood looks good. Front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does have some tape actually. Some tape on it. Got a dent here. Some paint off. Got a dent down here. Boom, you can see it right there. All right, and some more heavy scratch here, and then a lighter scratch continuing it. It's a heavy scratch here. It's a dent over here, and then it fades off into like a scratch. All right, rest of it looks like we have a dent here as well. Some here, then another one there. You can see there, and then there. Maybe that's all one dent that creased the rest of the metal there. Here's your rear passenger, the rear driver's steel wheel. Tire thread is over 730 seconds. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it off for you guys. Does have power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. Looks good. I don't see any holes, no tears, no rips. Jump in here, turn it off for you guys. Does have a one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM/FM stereo system right there. Got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Pow. Switch your instrument cluster. Looks like you see no lights on. Any issues? And your mileage of 18,320. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep it moving. Coming back here. Rear bumper does have a dent here with a little cracking there. That's about it. Your doors do swing out all the way on the 250. This is, of course, what your cargo area looks like. Pretty nice. Looks pretty fresh. Does have some light scratches, but the rest of it looks really good. I don't see many dings or dents. The wheel molds look okay. Got some dents back here. Boom, boom, boom. Got some dents over there. Just one or two there. There's more on that side than there is on the other side. Here's your door. What that looks like. Looks pretty good. Does have some dings here. It's again from closing some dents here. Again from closing the door with forcing the door in, you know. This door looks pretty good. I don't see any situation here. Alright. Little dinghy here. And let me pause this camera and get my ladder. And we're back, folks. Check out your roof, which looks pretty darn good. There's a dent here, and this little cap here is missing. But other than that, we look pretty darn nice. Coming around this corner here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And tire thread. Over 730 seconds. A dent here. And another little ding, a little heavy scratch there. Not too many dents on this. I see one or two. They look from the inside out. There's one right here and one right above it. Then I thought I saw another one shallower here. Here it is. All right, I don't see too many. There's a couple down there in the corner. Definitely here. There's a dent here. And that one I showed. All right, this is what your side cargo area looks like. All right. Very nice. Got some storage area up there. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks pretty good. Front passenger steel wheel looks good. Tire thread over 730 seconds. Up there, look good on that side of the roof. Lights are working, things are running, folks. Once again, a 2018 Ford Transit T250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 18,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.